Hi there. Thanks for joining me today. My name's Jack, and I'm here to give you a quick overview about how you can create estimates within Snaptimate. Snaptimate's a really easy to use tool for agents. You can create instant remodeling and repair estimates from your phone in just a few seconds. They're accurate, easy to use, and very detailed. You can use this whether you're helping a client stage a home for sale, helping a client walk through a home and understand how much the remodeling costs are going to be if they want to buy it and remodel it to exactly what they need, or reviewing an inspection report and trying to understand how much those costs are going to add to the total cost of the home. You can use Snaptimate on your desktop computer or your mobile app. I'm going to be demoing it here today on my desktop, but it will work the exact same on your mobile app as well. Let's get started. When you pull up Snaptimate, it's automatically going to find your location and suggest that you start an estimate for that property right away. You'll also see any old estimates that you've created just below that list as well. You can also type in a new address if you'd like to, and that will pull up any address you'd like, and I'll go ahead and show that here. Here I can go ahead and start an estimate. Now, within Snaptimate, there are a few hundred types of projects that you can create estimates for, and you can create multiple estimates for those different types of projects at the same time for the same property. Here you can see we've got our project list, which is currently blank. We'll have to add something to that list now. And we can select a project, and then we just need to enter the quantity. If you click on this dropdown, you'll see all the options that we have for different projects that you can estimate. Anything from additions, bathrooms, decks, garages, kitchens, flooring, painting, HVAC, insulation, and more. If you have any suggestions for other types of estimates that you'd want to create, feel free to share them and we can add them to the list as well. I'll go ahead and click on one. Let's just look at the bathroom remodel economy. When you're creating an estimate, I would certainly suggest clicking on this details button that pops up after you've selected the project. That's going to give you a little bit of information about what's included in the project. It may help you answer questions for your client as well. And most importantly, for some of these, it will also give what type of square footage we're looking for. Now, a bathroom, we're looking for the square footage of the bathroom, so we can go ahead and enter that. But let's see how that looks in just a second here. I've added the 60 square feet for the bathroom, and I'd like to add more estimates to this as well. So I'm going to click on Add Project to List, and then I'm going to add another project and go through the exact same process. You can see our bathroom remodel economy grade is already still staged for estimating up at the top, but I'm going to select another project here. Let's go with a 2-story addition. And again, clicking on the details is going to help you understand kind of what's included in that particular project. You can see this last sentence here, based on the first floor footprint of the addition of the square footage, not the total finished area. So it's not asking me to add another. Let's say this is a 2-story addition, 500 feet downstairs and 500 feet upstairs. I'm not looking for 1,000 feet here. I'm going to go ahead and put in 500. It will calculate the total cost for both of the stories automatically using this project. So I'm going to add that to the list. And let's add something else. Let's take a look at our kitchen options. And we have lots of different things here. Obviously, we've got full stories. We've got countertop replacements, kitchen faucet replacements, garbage disposal, and we also have major kitchen remodels. Let's pick an average one. Again, the details are going to give you a really good understanding about what's included or not included in this particular project. And then I'm going to go ahead and enter the square footage. And again, I'll add that project to the list. Whenever you're done adding projects to the list, here I've added 3, but you can do anywhere between 1, 5, 10, or more. I'm going to just click on this Calculate Estimate button. When I click on that, Snaptimate is pulling the live and most up-to-date pricing that we have based on the location of the property automatically. We update our full database of costs every quarter, so you're always getting the most up-to-date data possible when you're creating estimates. And here, I've gone ahead and created 3 estimates with the most up-to-date data possible. If I click on any one of these 3, I'll get a little bit of info about what's included. Again, with that same description, the square footage, and a categorical breakdown of the labor, material, and total cost for the project. I can view that for any of the items that I've created here. But I'm going to go ahead and click on Save, and I'll add this to my Sally Seller customer. You can always add a new client on this page as well if you need to. Once I've done that, I've actually got a full property page built. We've got our location, our map showing where the property exactly is, the estimate cost. Now, this is the total cost of all of these estimates, as well as the details of each estimate there as well. You can always add estimates to a property. Just click on this Add Estimate to Property button, and you'll be presented with the exact same process. Select the project that you're looking for. This time, let's do a bathtub door replacement. Let's say there are 2 of those. And let's also add an outlet. Let's replace, I think we need to replace 10 of these on this particular home, so I'll add that to the list. And again, calculate estimate. We're presented again with the same kind of staging area before we actually save it, just to make sure you've got the exact right thing you're looking for. And I'll go ahead and save it. And now you can see our property has gotten an electrical receptacle replacement and bathtub door replacement included in the project. That's how you can create estimates using Snaptimate. It's really easy to use. You just need to select the type of project that you need and the size of that project. It takes just a couple of seconds to create the estimate and share it to your account. And you can pull up these estimates again just by on the home page. And you can see here I've got the 1705 Hill Street property there with my exact estimates. Thanks for listening today. I hope this answers questions and shows you how you can create estimates within Snaptimate extremely easily. If you have additional questions, head to our help center, help.snaptimate.com, where you can reach out to us or read any of our articles or videos. Thanks so much. Bye.